Hello everyone, my name is Anna and I'm a fitness trainer.
Oh, let's go.
In summary, cardio exercises are essential for healthy heart, effective weight management, and improved mental well-being. Integrating cardio into your routine is a vital step towards leading a healthy and more balanced life.
I hope you liked today's video. If you have any questions, write them in the comment. And that's all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.